This is Willowfield. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
The train now standing at Platform 1 is the 10:28 Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. Calling at Beachley, Stepford Central, Stepford East, Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane, Horton Rake and Whitefield. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. We will be calling at Beachley, Stepford Central, Stepford East, Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane, Horton Rake and Whitefield. The next station is Beachley. We will shortly be arriving at Beachley. Change here for services to Stepford Bay. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Whitefield. Calling at Stepford Central, Stepford East, Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane, Horton Rake and Whitefield. This train is formed of 3 coaches. The 10:33 service from Morganstown is delayed by approximately 7 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
This is Beachley. This train is for Whitefield. The next station is Stepford Central. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Whitefield. The next station is Stepford Central.
Stand back from the platform edge.
We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Central. Change here for services to Stepford Airport Central, Benton, Hampton Hargate and Stepford Victoria. Please mind the gap between the train and the
10:29
platform.
metro service to Beachley is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. We are sorry that your journey will take longer than planned. Platform 10 for the 10:32
This
Stepford
is
Connect
Stepford
service
Central.
to Whitefield.
This train is for
Calling at
Whitefield.
Stepford East,
The next station
Stepford
is
UFC,
Stepford
Woodhead
East.
Lane, Horton Rake, and Whitefield.